Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a simple and quick earring pattern. This project is perfect for beginners or anyone who loves fast, fun designs. Let's get started. First of all, we will look into the things needed. We need some yarn. I'm going to be using cotton yarn with 1.5mm steel crochet hook. And we need 2 hook ear wires, 2 of the 3mm jump rings, the yarn needle, pair of scissors, and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. Want to crochet along with me? You can find all the materials I used in this tutorial through the links in the description. By using these links, you help support the channel, allowing me to keep bringing you more great tutorials. Thank you! Let's get started with the tutorial. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring. And in round 1, first we need to chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then work 3 double crochets into the magic ring. I will show you how to do that. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again, work another double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets into the magic ring. This is the 3rd double crochet into the magic ring. And then chain 2, 1 and 2. After that, work 6 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that, chain 2, 1 and 2. Then I'm going to pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller and work 3 more double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Then again chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we will pull the tail tight to close the magic ring. Like this. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the round to join. So insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the first round. And then start with round 2, chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work 1 double crochet into the base stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the base stitch here and complete the double crochet. Again, work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches as well. One, and 2. Now we have completed 3 double crochets here, and we reach the chain 2 space. There we need to work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. 1 and 2. Then again chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we need to work 1 increase into each one of the next 6 stitches, which means we need to work 2 double crochets into each one of the stitches. This is the first double crochet into the first stitch. Again work another double crochet into the very same stitch. This is the double crochet increase. Again work 2 double crochets into the next stitch here. 1 and 2. Like that, continue to work 2 double crochets into each one of the stitches. Now I have completed 6 increases and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and then work 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. After that work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and then we reach the next chain 2 space. There we need to work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, 1, 2 and then chain 2, 1, 2 and again 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space, 1 and 2. After that work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the round, that is this stitch here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round as well. We will move into round 3. Chain 1 and then work 1 single crochet into the same base stitch here, and then work 1 single crochet increase into the next stitch, which means we need to work 2 single crochets into the second stitch, 1 and 2. Again a single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochets into the stitch after that, 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet into the very last stitch here, and then we reach the chain 2 space. There we need to work 3 single crochets into the chain 2 space, 1, 2 and 3. After that work 1 single crochet on top of the first double crochet here and an increase into the next stitch, 1 and 2. This is the pattern we need to repeat here. 1 single crochet and an increase, 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern, 1 single crochet and an increase, 1 and 2. Like that we will just repeat the pattern, 1, 1 and 2. Again 1, 1 and 2. Again 1, 1 and 2. And then we reach the next chain 2 space. There we need to work 3 single crochets into the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. And then work 1 single crochet on top of the next double crochet. Again an increase into the next stitch, 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet and an increase into the next stitch and 1 single crochet. This is the pattern we need to repeat. An increase, 1 and 2. Again 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And then we reach the next chain 2 space. There we need to work 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see that we are left with 2 stitches in the round, so work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and an increase into the very last stitch, 1 and 2. With that we have completed the round, and then we will join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet of the round to join. After that, leave a little tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. And then we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail. Now we have completed the crochet part of the earring. Obviously we need to complete another piece to complete the earrings. Now we will see how to attach the pieces to complete the earring. So we will just take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers and insert into the stitch here. Slide the hook ear wire also into the jump ring and secure that with the pliers. Now we have completed the earring. Just repeat the same pattern to complete the other one as well. And there you have it, your very own pair of handmade crochet earrings, quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative crochet ideas. Happy crocheting, and we'll see you in the next video.